Today we are going to discuss about a Python package named CheggPy that is written by me. So quick intro, this package is for the Chegg expert and Python developers. So if you are neither of them, I might think that this video is not for you, but still if you want to watch it through the end, feel free to give it a shot. So what's a Chegg? Chegg is an online student query website, like students used to post some things. Tutors like me or some other person who has expertise in that field read the question and gave it a detailed explanation in the form of answer. I was also a Czech expert for a long time. So the problem which I face is answering a question is a cumbersome task. First you have to log in, then you have to check if there are questions available or not. Then you have to read the question. If the question is answerable, that you have the knowledge to answer it, then you give it a detailed explanation, click on the submit. But this steps can be automated. So what I've done, I wrote a Python package. We will give it a end-to-end flow, how to install and how to work. I'm just going it through what should be done to install it. So you can see in the documentation, the first line says that you have to use pip install CheggPy to install this package in your local machine. Those who don't know about the pip, I can say just Google it and you will find what is a pip. This video is not about how pip works or what is a pip. So if you have any terminal, just open it up. I use item. If I paste pip install checkpy, it will successfully install checkpy. Now going back to the documentation, the next part is how to use the script. So it's a simple command. It's a checkbot and give it a username, your username, and password, your password, and keywords. Keywords are the most important thing in this whole script. So how do you define whether a question is answerable or not? So basically you give it a list of string. Let's say like if I go through this example, it say keywords are Python, Java, and C++. So if the question body contains any of these words, that means I can answer the question. So whenever the script finds a suitable question, it will give a ping to me. Currently, the ping is in the form of a alert sound that your system make. So let's copy. And if I go back to this string, I say checkbox. And for the base case, let's say the keyword is the, because I want that if there's any question in the queue, it will be marked as answerable. I run the script. This is a banner and it say logged in successfully. The second is a sleeping uh, progress bar which is sleeping. Why it is there? Because scraping a website using automation tool is eth- is ethical, but if we are not using it within the limit, the check can mark it as a automated bot or your account may get blocked. So it is more ethical to use a sleep timer between each request so that you will mock the script as a normal user, and obviously check will not ban you. So it's a no more question left in the queue to answer, retrying one. So this will start retrying multiple times unless you kill it using control C or control D. So let's check if actually there are no more questions left in the queue. If I go back to my account, I refresh it, then I see yes, it says thank you for your efforts. Unfortunately, no questions are available in the queue at this moment. So if there are questions present in your queue, the script will start skipping on the basis of if keywords found, then it will say the question is found, and meanwhile it will pause and give you a link to that question that script will be paused and you have to just skip the question or submit. If if the question doesn't contain the keyword that you present, it will automatically skip. So that's all the gist of this Python package. If hope you will get more clarity when you start using it. So if I want to just stop the script, I will use Control C command. It will say for if you found any bugs, raise it here. So this is the GitHub repository of this Python package. I will be dropping all the links in the description. If you are a developer who wants to add some feature or want to fix some existing issue, you can raise a PR. I will surely review and watch. If you are not a coder, you are just using script, you can surely raise any feature request here. I will try to do my best. If I have the time, I will add that feature functionality in this project, or any other coder or developer will do the same. There's also a documentation for the package that I have created using the portrait tool. I would highly recommend to the people who use Python to give it a shot. It's a great Python package to make great documentation without any efforts. Uh, at last, if you have watched the video till the end and you find it useful, give it a like. If you have any query regarding this package, drop a comment. If you want me to make new videos or contribute to the YouTube, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for the latest update, and give it a shot. If you find it useful, feel free to reach out to me. My personal email ID is present on my GitHub page. You can reach out to me directly on the email. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.